What's up guys, Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have a brand new 2026 Ford F450 Super Duty, and it's in the shop for a 3.5-inch lift from Wicked Lift Kits. Not only is it getting a lift kit, but it's getting some brand new Arena wheels wrapped in 37-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. So the truck is already in the shop, so let's head on in, install this lift kit and those wheels, and then I'll see you guys in a second. Well guys, there you have it. The 2026 F450 is all wrapped up. The Wicked Lift kit is on, the wheels and tires are on. So if you guys enjoyed this video today, please don't forget to leave a like, comment down below what you thought of this build and the installation. And as always, subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the KHC family. We'll see you in the next one.